Starting today, Hawaii residents 70 and up can get vaccinated.
Samie Solina is live with more on these changes for us. Samie.
Yeah, so now that more than 70 and up folks can go ahead and get the vaccine, I want to walk you through the process. Here at Adventist Health Castle, what you need to do is you need to go online and make sure you sign up. They only take appointments, and then you have to fill out a registration form, you have your vaccine checklist, and you want to make sure that you have ID and health insurance with you. And then you come into the clinic and you get your shot. And to tell us a little bit more about that process is Helena Doherty-Gehrke. Thank you so much for joining us. You're the vaccine clinic manager. Tell us a little bit more about the process. Once they have the paperwork, they have that appointment, what happens next?
Oh, good morning. Yes, they show up here to the hospital. They can park in the front, and then they approach the lobby, the main lobby, where they get screened, and then they move over to the left of the building, where they enter the Weinberg building, and the Wellness Center clinic is right in there to the left.
Yeah, and so this is the first day you guys are opening it up to 70 plus, right?
That's right.
Gotcha.
We're pretty excited about that.
Yeah, and you told me that more and more vaccines are coming in, so you guys are actually having more appointment slots. How many do you have this week?
We're going to have 464 this starting today each day this week. So, yeah, we're excited about having more appointments available for the patients.
And this is something that's very important to you because you've actually worked in the COVID unit. You know how bad this disease can be, and you just want to make sure that folks, if they have an opportunity to get it, that they get it.
Absolutely. I think it's really important that we reduce the risk of people getting really sick. This last year has been very challenging for not just the patients, their family members. It was terrible, and we really don't want to have to go back to that.
So as a manager of a clinic over here, what have been some of the challenges that you guys have run into during, the first course of this vaccine?
Always the thought of the vaccine availability, what the supply that we get in. So that was a challenge. And then just the challenge of trying to get everybody scheduled. So going forward, thankfully, we've been assured that we're getting more and more supplies. So that's been more consistent. So it's allowed us to feel a little bit more relaxed about ensuring that we have enough appointments for everybody that wants it.
Right. And so if folks do want to make an appointment, they can either go to the state's website and look at a list of providers there, but they can also go directly to you guys. What is that process like?
They go onto the AdventistHealthCastle.org/vaccines, and they can sign up there. They can register there, and that's where they can also get some information about what the process looks like. The registration forms and the CDC questionnaire is actually on there too, and it walks them through the process of what to expect when they come to the clinic.
Great. Helena, thank you so much for joining us. We really do appreciate it. And next, we will be hearing from AARP on the state's rollout plan to get our vaccine to Kupuna, but that will be coming up. For now, back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Samie.